At sa Davao po, meron din po tayong napakagandang proyekto doon, yung ating Davao Modern Bus System. No? This is a bus system po that is very similar to what we see in bus systems in modern countries where there are schedules. The buses are modern buses. Many of them, if not all of them, are electric buses. And then po talaga maayos po ang sistema, no? Hindi po yung hihinto na lang kung saan-saan. Ito po talaga may proper bus stop, may proper terminals. Ito po ay pinondohan ng Asian Development Bank at ito po ay inabutan natin, inaamin po natin na maraming delay, pero po ngayon po nagkakaroon na po tayo ng momentum at nagkakaroon na po tayo ng malaking movement po sa ating Davao Bus Modernization Program. And this will really be a major achievement and a model for the entire country.
That's good to hear po, Sec, Madam Chair. At sana kung hindi man yung buong Davao Modern Bus System, kahit elements po nito ay baka, but probably the department, I hope, is already thinking about it. Yung elements ng Davao Modern Bus System, baka pwede rin pag-isipan para sa iba nyo pang pilot areas pati sa Visayas at Luzon.